Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about VERSATI3, the installation. And here, I'd like to emphasize that this presentation is based on the China standard. And if you have a higher level or you have a local code to follow, please follow your local code because this is the basic requirement. This presentation divided into these three parts. First is the heat pump installation. First of all, I will show you the system diagram. So on this diagram, you can find that this is the outdoor unit, which is the heat pump, and this is the indoor unit. Also, we can call it hydro box. And also you can find that inside it there is a heat exchanger and also the water pump and expansion tank. Also it has the filter. And also for VERSATI3, we already have the three-way valve built in. So all inside you just need to connect this one, this is okay. But this time for the heat pump is this one. This is the tools you may use during the heat pump installation. It's all about the refrigerant piping. As for this part is for the refrigerant, which means on site, maybe according to your pipeline length, you need to charge additional refrigerant. So for that, you need the scale and also the hex set. And also with this pressure gauge to charge it. But before that, you need to use the natural gas to clean or to blow out the dust. After that, do vacuum. For the outdoor unit location selection, either for split type, monoblock, or the all-in-one, here is the requirements just to avoid the sunshine and the snow. And also this is to ensure the ventilation. And also please ensure the intensity of the either the hanger on the wall or on the ground. You should equip with the surface, which is the structure. It should be strong enough. And also to lower the noise, avoid to install close to the window or the obstacles. And also to ensure the airflow or the ventilation, which means this one, especially you in local, if you find that there are lots of the snow, also avoid this case. Otherwise, you will find that the ventilation cannot ensure, and also this will be damage the condenser, which is make this one. So the solution for that is the first solution is to make this step higher than the snow level. Then you can avoid the snow accumulated, right? And the second solution is just to build a house to avoid the snow getting inside. After that is to ensure the clearance. And here I display the outdoor unit requirements, distance for the monoblock and the split type and all-in-one. You can find that on the owner's manual. To ensure this clearance, just to ensure the ventilation and also the maintenance space. This is for the indoor unit, hydro box. For the all-in-one. This slide displays the requirements for install the indoor unit, especially for the pipeline. So if the indoor unit is higher than the outdoor unit, you can install it just like this. It's okay. if the indoor unit is lower than the outdoor unit. Also, you pay attention to this part. You need to make this use check. This purpose of this one is just to check the oil at here, and if we operate the oil return operation, we can make the oil to flow back to the outdoor unit. And here is the requirements for this A and B. Also similar to the all-in-one series, you can find it if this all-in-one indoor unit is lower than the outdoor unit. Every 5 to 7 meter, you need to set up an oil check, just like this. And this A and B is similar to the previous. After that, according to your pipeline length, which is if it's less than 10 meters, no need to charge the additional refrigerant. If higher than 10 meters from the outdoor unit to indoor unit, you need to charge the refrigerant. And for VERSATI3, we adopt the R32, this one. And here is the charge procedures. You can just follow this one to charge the refrigerant. It's okay. Which is this is the outdoor unit, the gas valve, liquid valve. This is the pressure gauge. This is the vacuum pump. First, to do the vacuum, the purpose is to vacuum the refrigerant system from the indoor unit and the pipeline. Connect it just like this one. After the vacuum, you can connect the refrigerant tank here and charge the refrigerant inside. It's okay.